Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Thenx Calisthenics Training app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Thenx is a calisthenics-focused fitness app designed to help users build strength, mobility, and body control using primarily their own body weight. Created by Chris Heria and the Thenx Training team, the app offers structured workout programs, skill progressions, video demonstrations, and routines for all levels, from beginners to advanced athletes. It is available on both iOS and Android. The app's main feature is its follow-along calisthenics programs, including basics, strength training, skills like handstands, levers, and muscle-ups, plus daily routines. It also includes detailed video tutorials, a workout library, and progressive difficulty levels to help users advance safely and gradually. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the high-quality video demonstrations, clear progressions, and the structured roadmap for learning advanced calisthenic skills. The routines are straightforward, and the focus on technique helps reduce injury risk. The app is especially praised for its minimal equipment approach, making it ideal for home or outdoor training. However, there are some drawbacks. Some advanced programs and full features require a subscription. A few users mention that the app can feel limited if you want highly personalized training or gym-based routines. Others note occasional issues with workout loading or video playback depending on device performance and internet connection. In summary, the Thenx app may be worth using if you want structured calisthenics programs, step-by-step skill progressions, and professional video guidance without needing much equipment. However, if you prefer gym-style training or expect deeply personalized workout plans, you may find the experience less tailored to your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.